Hi there. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through exporting policy data from the Income One portal and importing it seamlessly into Foxel AI. Let's get started. If you don't already have the One portal login page bookmarked, go to income.com.sg and scroll to the bottom of the page. Right, go to the bottom of the page and under Stuff, click on One portal. And so once it shows up, click Save it as a bookmark for easy access next time. So after you have logged in, from the dashboard, select One portal. And once it's loaded, we will see that the top menu, it's here. Click on policy listing. And policy listing filters would show up here. You don't need to select any filters unless you like to narrow the results. For example, under the policy status, you can choose just enforce policies. Enforce policies if you don't want to see policies that are not active. All right. Otherwise, just leave everything as it is and click the apply icon. Now scroll down when the life insurance policies are listed and click on the export to Excel icon. Repeat this process if you also want to download health insurance or general insurance, or even if you have group insurance policies, to ensure that all the policies that you want to be imported to Foxel AI to be managed is being captured. Before importing into Foxel AI, you can open a file to quickly review the records, but here's the good news. Unlike most CRM systems, you don't need to make any changes to the income file. It's already in the perfect format for Foxel AI. Now let's upload the file into Foxel AI. In Foxel AI, after you've logged in, go to Dashboard. And by default, you can expand this. You're on the Accounts feature. Tap on the plus icon, import policies next to the policies row. Select one of the exported income files, let's say the life insurance policy file that you have exported. Foxel AI will automatically map all the necessary attributes from you. As you can see, for instance, it recognizes that the PH name from the income file corresponds to policyholder name attribute that is required, instead of selecting, say, insured or sum assured or gender. So click on next. And if the preview looks correct to you, you will check for duplicates. And if this is the most updated data you have, you can choose to overwrite any existing records. And to view your imported data, all you have to do is to go to the Clients tab, and you can easily search for any policy records using attributes like policy number and or policy holder name, etc. And to search multiple attributes at once, just separate them with a comma and a space. The policies, and some of them in this hypothetical client, endowment is one of them. If you click, you will show the details on the right side. And this can be viewed in your mobile devices as well, such as your iPad, tablets, mobile phone. And that's it. Exporting and importing policy data has never been easier to manage. And with Foxel AI, you can easily manage your data quickly and efficiently so you can focus on what truly matters. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and happy exploring.